Victoria Bay, Gozo. Going to Citadel di Victoria, Gozo. Citadel di Victoria.
Citadella de Victoria, also known as the Citadel of Gozo, is a fortified city located in the heart of Victoria, the capital of the island of Gozo. This magnificent structure has stood for centuries, and today it stands as one of the most impressive historical sites in Malta. The citadel is a complex of fortifications that has been built and rebuilt over time. It has a rich history, having been occupied by the Phoenicians, Romans, Arabs, and eventually the Knights of St. John. It was fortified by the knights in the 16th century, and the fortifications were further strengthened during the British period. The citadel's most prominent feature is its massive walls, which stand over 40 feet high in places. The walls have stood for centuries, protecting the inhabitants of the city from invading forces. Within the walls, visitors can explore a variety of historical buildings, including the Cathedral of the Assumption, which dates back to the 17th century. The cathedral is an impressive structure that dominates the skyline of the citadel. It features stunning Baroque architecture, with a grand dome that rises over 200 feet into the air. The cathedral also houses a number of impressive works of art, including paintings by famous artists such as Mattia Preti. In addition to its impressive history and architecture, the Citadel also offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Visitors can climb to the top of the walls and take in breathtaking views of the island of Gozo and the Mediterranean Sea. Overall, the Citadel de Victoria is an impressive historical site that offers visitors a glimpse into the rich history of Malta. With its towering walls, impressive architecture, and fascinating history, it's a must-see destination for anyone visiting the island of Gozo.